Good Friday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. Hopefully, everyone had a fantastic Thursday yesterday. I am your host for South Carolina weather, Joseph Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for your Friday. Looking at the radar right now, you can see that we don't really have much going on in the state of South Carolina right now. No rain is falling. And let's go on and move over to the MRMS. The MRMS right now is pretty much just showing some rain going on inside of the northern U.S. Canada's receiving some rain. Places like New Mexico, Oklahoma, Texas seeing some scattered showers. Illinois and Michigan seeing some scattered showers. Also, just off the coast of Maine and New Hampshire, Rhode Island as well. Over here, off the coast of South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida also receiving some rain as well. As we go on and talk about cloud cover, not really much going on for cloud cover, just clouds going over like Myrtle Beach, Charleston, Florence, Rock Hill, Charlotte, North Carolina, and just to the west and east of Columbia. We do have some cloud cover going on over there. The upstate's actually looking pretty good in terms of cloud cover. No cloud cover up there for the upstate at all. Here's our future cloud cover. You can see here that as we push this forward, cloud cover will continue as we get to around like late this afternoon. There will be barely a cloud inside the sky. And then as we get into tonight, cloud cover will pretty much continue, but it will be in other places like the upstate of South Carolina, the PD region of South Carolina as well. Here is our current temperatures: 68 inside of Columbia, 70 inside of Charleston, 70 inside of Beaufort and Savannah, as well as 70 in Myrtle Beach, 68 inside Georgetown, 66 inside of Rock Hill, 64 inside of Greenville, 66 inside of Henderson and Union, as well as Winnsboro, 68 Sumter, Florence, 68 Augusta. We also have 70 inside of Walterboro and Moncks Corner. Here's our high temperatures for today. High temperatures for today going for around 87 in Columbia, 83 in Charleston, 81 inside Myrtle Beach, 84 inside Cheraw, 86 inside Rock Hill, 85 inside of Spartanburg, 87 inside of Greenville, 89 inside Anderson, 87 in Aiken and Barnwell, 85 in Moncks Corner, 86 in Walterboro, 86 inside of Kingstree, and 83 in Hilton Head Island. Here's our peak sustained winds. Again, pretty calm today, unless you're near the coastal region where you might have a good 9 to 10 mile per hour sustained winds. But other than that, not really looking for anything else in terms of winds. And as you get into gusts as well, gusts are going to be only a couple of miles per hour higher. Not really much to say in terms of gust. And not a lot to say in terms of precipitation as well. Maybe some scattered showers possible in northern South Carolina, but other than that, not really much to talk about in terms of rain as we get through today. No thunderstorms are expected. No excessive rainfall is expected. So we're gonna go on, and start talking about the future. And when I say the future, I mean just like today. So as we get this started, pushing this forward, not really much to talk about. Just some showers possible, some scattered showers possible. We had those little regions of some rain, like near like Lancaster, South Carolina, and maybe some showers just to the south of Augusta as well. A couple of sprinkles as well, going to around 9, 10 o'clock p.m. So we'll continue to watch for those. But the places that I think that might actually see a couple of droplets is just to the east of Lancaster, east of Rock Hill, maybe somewhere in those regions is where you have to watch out for some rain. And that continues all the way through to 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's talk about the tropics now. Here's the tropics right here. You can pretty much see that, I mean, not really much going on. Disturbance 1, remnants of Gordon. It is becoming less likely that this will even form. So, not really watching too much for this. It just says, due to strong upper level winds, any additional development is expected to be slow. Here's disturbance 2. A 20% chance of development, 20% chance of of in the next 7 days. So only 20% for the system. Invest 96. Pretty much it says shower and activity associated with the area of low pressure located air change little in organization over the past several hours. Environmental conditions only appear marginally conducive for some development of the system during the next couple of days, while it drifts northwestward at around 5 miles per hour over the central or western tropical Atlantic. So only a 20% chance of this thing forming. And we're still watching this thing over here, disturbance 3. A broad area of low pressure could form by the early to middle part of next week over the northwestern Caribbean Sea. Thereafter, gradual development of this system is possible, and a tropical depression could form as the system moves slowly to the north or northwest over the northwestern Caribbean Sea into the southern Gulf of Mexico through the end of the week. So, a 0% chance over the next 48 hours, but a 40% over the next 7 days. So yeah, this is the one that I believe that we're going to have to watch for the most. And we're going to watch that. Here's the last look at your radar right here. You see again, nothing going on in the state. At 234 subscribers right now, let's get to 235. No, let's get higher. Let's get to like 236, 237 by tonight. That would be great. Make sure you hit that share button, hit the subscribe button as well. And as we get closer to our goal of 250 subscribers by September 26th, we need 16 more to go. 16 more to go. So let's go on and get there. We can get there in around 6 days. 16/6. We could get there. It's pretty plausible that we could. We just gotta make sure that we hit the share button and make sure that we hit the subscribe button and the like button as well, because that does get it out there further. So that's pretty much all that I have for today. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Friday. I'll be back maybe a bit later than 9 o'clock p.m. I don't think it will be exactly at 9 o'clock p.m. So turn on notifications so you know when I go live.
Hey!